Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds. They are found in many plant-based foods. They are a type of organic acid. These acids can bind to minerals. Examples of these minerals are calcium and iron. When oxalates bind with minerals, they form oxalate salts. For most people, oxalates are not harmful. However, they can pose health risks for some. These risks are mainly for people prone to kidney stones. It's important to understand oxalates. This knowledge can help you make informed food choices. This can contribute to your overall health. Many foods contain oxalates. Some foods are high in oxalates. Spinach and beet greens are examples. Almonds and cashews also contain high levels. Seeds, grains, and some vegetables also have oxalates. Rhubarb, kiwi, and berries contain oxalates. Some foods are low in oxalates. These include kale and bok choy. Cashews, peanuts, and walnuts are other low oxalate choices. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds are also low. Kidney beans, blueberries, and blackberries are lower in oxalates. Knowing which foods are high or low in oxalates can help you manage your intake. This is especially important if you have a history of kidney stones. Choosing low oxalate options can be beneficial. This can help you maintain good health. Your body processes oxalates. Oxalates can be produced as metabolic waste. They can also enter your body through your diet. Most people process oxalates without any problems. However, some individuals are prone to kidney stones. In these individuals, oxalates can bind to calcium in the kidneys. This forms calcium oxalate crystals. These crystals are the main component of most kidney stones. This condition is known as hyperoxaluria. It can lead to kidney stone formation. In severe cases, it can lead to systemic oxalosis. Systemic oxalosis is when oxalate deposits occur throughout the body. This is a serious condition. Oxalates can also affect nutrient absorption. They can bind to minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. This reduces the bioavailability of these minerals. This can be concerning for some people. Those with chronic illnesses may already have issues with nutrient absorption. Section 4. Health impacts of oxalates. Oxalates are generally harmless for most. However, they can cause problems for some people. One major concern is the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits. They form in the kidneys. They can cause severe pain. They can also block the urinary tract. Oxalates can also interfere with nutrient absorption. This can lead to deficiencies in certain minerals. These minerals are important for many bodily functions. A deficiency can negatively impact health. People with certain health conditions need to be cautious about oxalate intake. Those with chronic fatigue syndrome or gut issues may already have compromised nutrient absorption. For them, high oxalate intake can worsen their condition. It's important to understand your own body. If you are prone to kidney stones, talk to your doctor. They can advise you on managing your oxalate intake. They can also recommend ways to prevent kidney stone formation. Managing oxalate intake. If you need to manage your oxalate intake, there are several strategies. One strategy is to balance your intake of high oxalate foods. Pairing high oxalate foods with calcium-rich foods can help. This can reduce oxalate absorption in the gut. Dairy products are generally oxalate-free. They can be beneficial when consumed with high oxalate foods. However, avoid sodium-rich cheese and chocolate. Another strategy is to change your cooking methods. Boiling high oxalate vegetables can reduce their oxalate content. Oxalates are water-soluble. They leach into the cooking water. Hydration is also important. Drinking plenty of water is crucial. Water helps clear oxalates from the kidneys. This can prevent kidney stone formation. It's important to maintain a healthy fluid intake.